When we talk about waterproofing in the inside, normally we talk about negative side waterproofing. Alright? Para mas maintindihan natin negative side waterproofing ay galing sa labas yung tubig at nasa loob tayo ng waterproof, pinapasok ang tubig, yun ang tawag na negative side waterproofing. Alright? So, paano mag-waterproof ng loob ng kanilang bahay dahil hindi nila ma-waterproof ang kanilang labas? Dahil possible may obstruction or possible may structure or possible na sa high-rise. So here in BuildRight, nag-develop kami ngayon ng product that can solve this problem. Yung Flexor po natin na product. So BuildRight Flexor is a negative side waterproofing for high-rise building or na may kailangang flexibility involved. Ang una namin consider ay syempre maging convenient yan para sa inyo po. It's a two-part already. Nandun na sa loob yung cementitious type and nasa loob na po yung liquid type. And all you have to do is open the bucket and then mix and then apply. Sa mga may damages, we still recommend na tanggalin mo muna yung pintura mo, So scrape off yung paint and then check. Kung sakaling may skin coat yon, hindi siya nagpa-powder, kailangan mo muna ayusin yung skin coat. Kung sa tingin nyo, hindi siya pwede, then kailangan mo siya i-grind off. From the thick plaster, we'll apply the Flexor, and then reapply the skim coat, then apply Stop-Gap AS, and then we can apply the top coat already.